Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening your Surface Pro 7 without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement process. Once powered down, place the suction cup near the edge of the screen, applying gentle pressure to create a small gap between the screen and the casing. Using the plastic spudger, carefully insert it into the gap created by the suction cup. Gently slide the spudger around the edges to release the adhesive holding the screen in place. Take your time with this step. Rushing can lead to cracks in the screen. Once the screen is loosened, lift it carefully from the device. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen. You don't want to damage them. If you encounter resistance, use the spudger to gently pry it further. With the screen removed, you will see the internal components of the Surface Pro 7. Locate the battery, which is typically secured with screws. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This step is critical. Ensure you do not pull on the wires directly. Instead, use the spudger to carefully lift the connector off. Now you can remove the old battery. If it's stuck due to adhesive, use the spudger to gently pry it away from the casing. Once removed, take a moment to clean the area where the new battery will be placed. A clean surface ensures better adhesion and performance. Before installing the new battery, it's a good idea to check for any dust or debris inside the device. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to clean the internal components. This will help maintain the overall health of your Surface Pro 7. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors. Carefully connect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring it's secure. Once connected, place the battery into its compartment and reattach the screws you previously removed. At this point, you can start reassembling your device. Carefully place the screen back onto the casing, ensuring all cables are properly aligned and not pinched. Press down firmly around the edges to secure the adhesive. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before proceeding. Once the screen is securely in place, power on your Surface Pro 7 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check that the battery is charging and that there are no issues with the display. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, so you'll know what to expect. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Microsoft Surface Pro 7. With proper care and maintenance, your device should now perform optimally for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.